Howdy, y'all. This is a new segment called Down on the Yield Farm. No, seriously, we're going to go find some insane yields and APRs and APYs right now. Welcome back to the APY Guide Crypto and DeFi channel. I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, the first farm that I'm really bullish on for this segment is on the Cardano blockchain, and it's on MinSwap. And if we go to the farms, it's the ADA CNADA farm. And this CNADA token is a token on ADA BTC, which I'm reading from my notes, is a fully on-chain decentralized protocol that allows Bitcoin to be directly wrapped on the Ergo and Cardano blockchains, which is a really cool protocol. So I wanted to get some exposure to that. So the way you get paid out, though, is really cool, too. You get paid out in 3 different tokens. So you get the Min token from MinSwap, plus you get ADA, pure ADA, 2.37% APR, and then you get the CNADA APR paid out at 13%. Plus, you get an additional 1% for the 30-day APR for trading fees. So this ends up being a 45.8% APR, and it's got 3 really good tokens. So this is the first one that I'm really interested in on the Cardano blockchain. Also, make sure you subscribe and check out some of my shorts. I always try to do a play of the day at least once or twice a week, where I come up with different yield farms or staking opportunities, and I do a YouTube short. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could see those in the future. The second farm I would like to cover is on Tomb Chain. I did a video earlier this week on Tomb Chain and showing how to get in and how to farm on it. And if you go to life with a 3 instead of an E.com, it's in the garden, and it's USDC Tomb. So you get the safeness of having a half stablecoin, and then Tomb, which is it's chilling around 11 cents a coin now, and you're getting 82% APR, and you're getting paid out in the L-share token, which L-share is doing really well. It's over $1,000 a token right now. So this one's just a really solid farm. That's USDC Tomb, and that's on Life protocol on Tomb Chain. The third farm I wanted to cover is on my favorite, Beefy Finance, and that's BTC AVAX LP pair. I covered this one on a YouTube short about a week or 2 ago, and it's at 42.69% APR or APY still. They have one on Swaps, the one on Swapsicle, which I pointed out before, and they also have one now on Trader Joe if you want to be a little safer. Trader Joe has been around a lot longer than Swapsicle, but it's at 27.27% APY. So that's that's a really, really good one. Pairing BTC and AVAX, can't go wrong with that. The next farm I wanted to cover is Battle of the Bands Remastered. This thing's a beast. Even though Solana's had its issues in the recent days, it's paying out 14.93% APY, but it's just a beast. It's the altcoin blue chip bonanza going on here. Fantom, matic, Solana, avax, and BNB, all paired 20% in each into one LP. That's a beast. So that's on Beefy Finance. That's paying out 14.93%. The next one I want to cover is on Make DeFi Better protocol. It's on Xenia, which is the MDB BNB farm, which is paying out 263.76% APR. It's paying out on the MDB token. And if we take a look at that chart, this is the daily. It's just going nuts. It's all the way up over a penny. And they just keep burning tokens. They burned another 2 million today. And then that brings the total amount that started with 1 billion down to 883,730,000 tokens, and they just keep burning. So this is a good long-term play for me. I'm just going to keep stacking the MDB tokens and then staking them here for another 35.06% APY. That'll do it for this episode of Down on the Yield Farm. I'm going to try to do this once a month at least. And please leave in the comments what yield farm that you're bullish on currently. Thank you for watching and have a great day.